Hello, hello students. Today we are going to solve one questions given by my student SOURISH of class 8 and myself Noor Alam, teacher of Sri Chaitanya School and Kolkata branch. Now look at the questions. Here the question is, by selling the two transistor for rupees 600 each, a shopkeeper gets 20% on one transistor and loses the 20% on the other. So now I am taking the transistor 1, its cost price is X, okay na, and another transistor 2 and its cost price I am considering as Y, okay na. Now here they are asking CP of each transistor we have to calculate. So on the first transistor there is a profit, 10% profit gain, and in the second transistor there is a 20% loss. So now we know that loss or profit always calculate on the cost price, okay na. Profit percentage and loss percentage, profit and loss always has been calculated on the cost price. So here the cost price is X and 20% is profit. So what we know that now the object whose cost price is 100, we have to sold it, or we have to sell this object at rupees 120. The object whose cost is transistor, whose cost is X rupees, then we have to sell into X, and this is given as in the question 600 selling price. Each transistor we sold SP is given as 600 for both the transistor, okay na. So SP is given as 600. So from here we can easily calculate X value. So now these two cancel out. Now here we have X is equal to 600 into 10 dividing by 12. So now it is 550. So now it is 500. So therefore cost price of the first transistor we have calculated and the value is 500. Now going for the second transistor, we know its cost price is Y, but here is a loss. So now here loss is a 20%. That means the cost price of the object is 100, then the selling price is 80 rupees only. So if the cost price is 100, then the selling price is 80. If the cost price is Y, then what will be the selling price? This selling price is given as 600, okay na. So now we are getting Y is equal to 600 multiplied by 10 and then divided by 8. So it is 5, then here we get 4, then 15, 150. Now it is 750. So now we have already calculated the cost price of both the transistor. Total CP cost price we have to calculate. So total CP we can write as 500 rupees plus 750 rupees, and total is 1250 rupees. And total SP we want to calculate. Total SP it is equal to, total SP is equal to, now 600 for the first transistor, 600 for the second transistor, total is 1200. So you notice that your CP is greater than SP. That means we are suffering from the loss. So now second question is completed. Third question, profit or loss percent on the whole. So here we observe that we are suffering from the loss, and the loss is CP minus SP. So now here 1250 minus 1200, so you have only 50 rupees loss. So now we are going to calculate loss percentage. Loss percentage is equal to amount of loss divided by CP into 100%. So here you notice that loss is 50 rupees out of 1250 and into 100%. So this 0 we can cancel out. Now here you are getting 25. Now 25 into 4 is 100. So there will be overall 4% loss. We are suffering from the loss. I hope SOURISH you understand these questions. If you have any doubt, you can text me or you can send your message or in my inbox, and I hope in the future also you will send me the questions. Bye beta, have a nice day.